Hey Lauren, your question about this whole deal about 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Yeah, there's a big issue here, and the issue comes right here. There's a couple spots actually. Notice that the degree of the equation is 1. When you raise the degree of the equation to 2, you add solutions that you didn't intend on adding. So if we just take this aside over here and we look at a squared is equal to ab. If we solve that, a squared minus ab is equal to 0, then that tells you in this situation, as you factor out the a, all of a sudden you have a solution of a is equal to 0. So, if you kind of look at this work down here, also notice you divide by a factor of a minus b, divide by a factor of a minus b. What you've done now is you've reduced it from a squared, okay, down to a um, first power equation, and then sometimes you lose solutions in that scenario. So when you go back to substitute stuff back in here, you automatically just grab a is equal to 1, when in fact that's what you divided off. So if you plug in a is equal to 0 there, you get 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And there's a big difference in that in that scenario. So that's actually what should be stated. So um, yeah, anytime you raise the degree, you add a solution. So a equals 0, that wasn't what was listed there. But remember, the fundamental theorem of algebra says that when you increase the degree, you add a solution. So that was just kind of ignored at the end there. So there you go, kid. Hope that helps.